Hello students, today we'll discuss derivatives of composite functions. So derivative of composite function means it is a combination of two functions we will get. Suppose if f and g are two functions, okay, then composite of these functions is nothing but G circuit f of x. So which is nothing but G circuit of f of x. Okay. So now we are doing derivative of this function. So therefore ddx of, if we will do G of f of x, if we will do, so first we will do G function derivative. So which is nothing but G dash of f of x. Okay. Only for G function we will do this f of x will let same as this. Again derivative of this inside function f of x we have to do. Okay. Then totally it will become, so G dash of f of x into f dash of x we will get here. Okay. So this is the derivative of composite functions here. So in derivatives, if any function y is equal to f of x, to be any function, so then differentiation of f with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x is denoted by, so first one is dy by dx. Okay, mostly we will use dy by dx, or this we can represent f dash of x also, or y1 also, or even y dash also. Okay, so everything is depends is it differentiate with respect to x only here. So all is differentiable functions only. Okay. So next one, exercise 5.2, first one, differentiate the functions with respect to x in exercise 1 to 8 here. So the first one is sine of x square plus 5 here. So first we are taking here, let y is equal to sine of x square plus 5. So this is a composite function. So why? Because so normally trigonometric functions are sine x or sine y, like that functions you will get, but this one is sine of x square plus 5, means this x square plus 5 will take it as x is in the form of sine x form. Okay, so now we are doing differentiate with respect to x here. So why it will become dy by dx is equal to, so ddx of sine x, ddx of this sine function we have to do. So ddx of sine of x square plus 5 function. Okay, we know ddx of sine x is cos x. So ddx of sine x function is cos x here. Okay, so ddx of cos x, sine x is cos x. Therefore, cos of x is nothing but x square plus 5 is this. So sine x, this x square plus 5 whole thing if you're taking as x, then ddx of sine x is cos x. So x is nothing but x square plus 5 here. Okay, again this inside function we have to derivative. So again ddx of this inside function, so that is x square plus 5 here. So which is equal to cos of x square plus 5 into ddx of x square plus 5. So ddx of x square is 2x plus ddx of constant value is 0 here. Okay, so 2x plus 0 is 2x only. So this can be written as 2x into cos of x square plus 5. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to, this is the answer here. Okay, 2x into cos of x square plus 5. Next one, cos of sin x. Same here also. Let y is equal to cos of sin x. Okay. So first we will do differentiate with respect to x. So why, if you are doing this differentiate means, so dy by dx is equal to ddx of this function cos of sin x. Okay, so cos of sin x is nothing but it is in the form of cos x form. So cos x, if we do derivative, ddx of cos x is minus sin x. Minus sin x is nothing but this sin x. Okay, minus sin of sin x, again ddx of this inside function we have to do derivative. So ddx of sin x here. So we know ddx of cos x formula is minus sin x. Okay, so minus sin of sin x into ddx of sin x is cos x here. So therefore minus cos x into sin of sin x is the answer for the problem. So dy by dx value is this one. Okay. Next, third one. So sin of ax plus b. Same this one also. Let y is equal to sin of ax plus b. So y is equal to sin of ax plus b. So differentiate with respect to x here. So y is dy by dx is equal to ddx of this function. So ddx of sin of ax plus b. Okay. So ddx of sin x is cos x. So cos x is nothing but here ax plus b is there. Again ddx of this function ax plus b we have to do. Okay. So cos of ax plus b into ddx of ax. So ddx of ax is nothing but a plus, so ddx of b is constant value means ddx of constant value will become 0 here. Okay, the formulas are ddx of, suppose kx is there means k we will take out. Next ddx of x is nothing but 1. So which is nothing but k you will get here. Next ddx of any constant value is nothing but 0 here. Okay, so a plus 0 is a into cos of ax plus b. This is the answer here. So dy by dx is equal to a into cos of ax plus b. Fourth one, secant of tan of root x here. So total here 3 functions is there. Let y is equal to secant of tan of root x here. Okay, so here we are doing differentiate. So differentiate with respect to x here. So dy by dx is equal to, so we are doing derivation. So ddx of this whole function. Okay, secant of tan of root x. Okay, so first we will do this whole thing. You can take this as x here, one function. So ddx of secant x is secant x into tan x. Okay, ddx of secant x is secant x into tan x. Secant x is tan of root x. Okay, tan of root x, secant x into tan x. So tan x is nothing but this tan root x only. Okay, ddx of secant x is secant x into tan x over. Again ddx of inside function. So this tan root x. Okay, so secant of tan root x into tan of tan root x into ddx of tan x. So ddx of tan x is secant square x. Okay, secant square x is nothing but root x here. So ddx of tan x is secant square x. Again this root x function we have to do. So ddx of root x here. Okay, so now secant of tan root x into tan of tan root x into secant square x, sorry, secant square root x into ddx of root x is 1 by 2 root x is the answer here. Okay, this is dy by dx here. Okay, next fifth one, sine of ax plus b divided by cos of cx plus d. Let y is equal to sine of ax plus b divided by cos of cx plus d here. So this is the form of u by v method. Okay, so ddx of u by v is nothing but v du minus u dv divided by v square. Okay, so v du minus u dv divided by v square here. So do differentiate here. Differentiate with respect to x here. So dy by dx is equal to u by v. So v du means first denominator is constant we are taking here. Cos of cx plus d into ddx of numerator. ddx of numerator is sine of ax plus b. Okay, minus u. U is nothing but numerator. Numerator will take constant at this time. Sine of ax plus b into derivative of the denominator function. So ddx of denominator is cos of cx plus d here divided by v square. V is nothing but denominator whole square. Cos of cx plus d whole square is nothing but cos square of cx plus d here. So cos of cx plus d into ddx of sin x. So ddx of sin x is cos x. So cos of ax plus b into again derivative of this function. Okay, ddx of this ax plus b. Okay, minus sin of ax plus b is constant into ddx of cos x. So ddx of cos x is minus sin x. X is nothing but here cx plus d. Okay, into ddx of cx plus d function again divided by v square. So v square is nothing but cos square of cx plus d here. Okay, so cos of cx plus d into cos of ax plus b into ddx of ax plus b. So ddx of ax is a only in plus ddx of constant value is 0 will get minus here already minus there means minus into minus is plus sine of ax plus b into sine of cx plus d into ddx of cx plus d is nothing but c. So cx is nothing but c. ddx of constant value it will become 0 here. Okay, divided by v square. Okay, cos square of cx plus d. So this is nothing but, so you can write here normally. So a into cos of cx plus d into cos of ax plus b plus c into sine of ax plus b into sine of cx plus d divided by v square. So v square is nothing but cos square of cx plus d is the answer here. Okay, this is the dy by dx. Okay, next cos x cube into sine square of x to the power 5 here. So this is y is equal to cos x cube into sine square of x to the power 5 here. So this is UV method. So if you are taking as U, this one if you are taking as V. So UV method is ddx of U into V is equal to U dV. So U into dV by dx plus V into du by dx is the formula here. So differentiate with respect to x here. So y is dy by dx is equal to ddx of u. So u will take constant here, cos x cube into ddx of this function, sine square x to the power 5 here. Okay, plus v into v is sine square of x to the power 5 into du by dx. So ddx of cos x cube. Okay, now so cos x cube into ddx of sine square x. So sine square means first we will do power form here. So if we do derivative here, 2 sine x. Okay, 2 sine x is nothing but x to the power 5. Again, now we have to do sine function here, ddx of sine x. So ddx of sine x is cos x. Okay, so power over now sine function we are doing. So ddx of sine x is cos x here. Sine x is nothing but x to the power 5 here. So cos x to the power 5 plus again we have to do derivative. Okay, derivative of x to the power 5 here. Okay, plus here also sine square x to the power 5 into ddx of cos x. ddx of cos x is minus sin x. So minus sin x is nothing but sin x cube. Again, we have to do ddx of x to the power 3 as derivative here. Okay. So this is cos x cube into, so 2 we can write starting only, 2 sin x to the power 5 into cos x to the power 5 into ddx of x to the power 5 is, so 5x to the power 4 here. ddx of x to the power n is n into x to the power of n minus. Okay. ddx of x to the power n is n into x to the power of n minus 1. Okay. Plus sine square x to the power 5. Sorry, plus into minus is minus. Okay. X into minus, plus into minus is minus into sine x cube. ddx of x cube is 3x square. Okay. Now if we written 2 into 5 is 10, x to the power 4 into cos x cube into sine x to the power 5 into cos x to the power 5 minus, okay, 3x square sine square x to the power 5 into sine x cube is the answer here, dy by dx. Okay, this is the answer. Next, seventh one. Okay, let y is equal to 2 into square root of cot of x square here. Okay, so we'll do differentiate with respect to x. So y it will become dy by dx is equal to ddx of this whole function, 2 into square root of cot x square here. Okay, first here 2 is constant means we are taking 2 as out here. Next, ddx of root x. So ddx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So 1 by 2 root x. X is nothing but cot of x square into again ddx of cot x square here. Okay. Now this 2 will get cancelled. 1 divided by square root of cot x square into ddx of cot x. So ddx of cot x is minus cosecant square x. Minus cosecant square x is nothing but x square. Okay. Again ddx of x square function we will do here. Okay. ddx of cot x is minus cosecant square x here. Okay. So we'll take minus out. So this is cosecant square x square divided by square root of cot x square into ddx of x square is 2x here. Okay. So this can be written as minus 2x into cosecant square x square divided by square root of cot x square is the dy by dx required answer. Okay. Next, y is equal to cos root x here. So dy by dx is equal to, so ddx of cos root x. Okay. So we know ddx of cos x is minus sin x. Minus sin x is nothing but root x. Again ddx of root x we have to do. Okay. Minus sin root x into ddx of root x is 1 by 2 root x here. So minus sin root x divided by 2 root x is the required answer. Dy by dx here. Okay.